What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're out here at a top 10 meet. It's pretty dark, so I don't know if y'all can be able to see me because I'm dark as fuck. But we just got here. I'm riding the extended cab, and I'm just out here, guys. Pretty much just gonna take the ride. You know, I know the truck don't got nothing, pretty much all the way stock. But there's some trucks out here, guys. They're pretty fixed up. Cams, you can hear cams all around. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that in a little bit, and we're gonna roll out. I think like the next 20-30 minutes. Hopefully I get some footage, and y'all, hopefully y'all enjoy. So I'll see you in a bit. Probably show you some rides. Let me know what y'all think. And Alright, guys, I don't know how good y'all hear me, but we're about to roll out, and there's a lot of cars, a lot of trucks. Well, we're gonna see how this goes. gonna go ahead and call it a night right here. Hopefully y'all can see me, but it was all right. You know, there was a bunch of trucks out there, and hopefully, you know, we can do this again. But next time we're gonna have to come out here a little bit more prepared, you know, because it's 5.3 stock. It ain't working out, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and stick around a little bit and show y'all the rides that are pulling up. I guess I was in the front or somewhere in the middle. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know what y'all think. Deuces.